Thank you, Mr. Maciej Pisarski. Now, I would like to invite Head of the Department, Dr. Asghar Ali Dashti, for a vote of thanks. Please come on the
stage. Thank you, Madam Rizwana. On behalf of Department of International Relations, on behalf of my faculty members, I propose my vote of thanks. I thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Ambassador of Poland to Pakistan, His Excellency Maciej Brodowski. Sir, sorry if I can't pronounce your name properly. I would like to thank Mirza Umer Beg, Honorary Consul General, Poland. And especially I am thankful to my students, my fellow colleagues and friends and faculty members from different universities for their participation. As you know that today we are celebrating anniversary of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Poland. And you know, Poland is member of European Union and Poland is considered gateway of Europe. So I think Poland can help Pakistan and Pakistani business community to get access to European markets. And Poland always supported Pakistan to get GSP plus status. If I talk about education, in the field of education, you know very well, there is an MOU between Federal Urdu University and University of Varmia and Missouri. And Department of International Relations and Institute of Political Science are working together on different projects. And next year, in 2024, Department of IR will be visiting Poland. We will be visiting to attend an international conference in Poland. And a Pakistani chair, you know about chairs, Pakistan chairs. There are so many chairs in America and Britain and different universities of the world. A Pakistani chair has been established in Yogi Lonian University, which is located in Krakow, Poland. And so it shows bilateral cooperation in the field of education. His Excellency, a Polish lady, Mrs. Anna Teresa Petrashki, she has written a book on Polish people who have lived in Pakistan, which is very interesting book, and that book is about Polish people. In 1975, when Mrs. Anna was young, Anna Teresa, she traveled to Pakistan and she discovered and she collected memories of Polish people who were living in Pakistan. And finally, in 2018, that book has been published. I wish this book should be translated into Urdu. And definitely Federal Urdu University can do this. So because we have Department of Urdu and we have Directorate of Composition, Compilation and Translation. So I think with collaboration of Polish Embassy and Federal Urdu University, that book can be translated into Urdu. So once again, I thank you, all of you, for your participation, and I especially thank all volunteers. I must say, without your participation, your dedication, your hard work, this event would not have been possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Asghar Ali Dashti. Now the time is souvenir distribution, and please, yes, I would like to Dr. Asghar Ali Dashti to present souvenir to Mr. Umer Beg, Honorary Consul General, Republic of Poland in Karachi. Dr. Asghar Ali will present the souvenir to our honorable chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Majid Sarkis, Ambassador of Poland in Pakistan. Majid Sarkis.